बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dasrath Bhai Patel. Anant Bhaiya is giving reply for someone's question. The question is, if I am in the last stage of cancer, then what I have to do? Anant Bhaiya is giving reply. Look, if a person is suffering from any disease and knows that these are his last days of his life, then at first he has to understand that to cut down the attachments with the people on the earth. Because those who are ready to go, they don't have any relationship with the people, isn't it? Means time has come to cut down these attachments, illusions, ego, wrath, greed, desires, everything. I am telling very deep fact. If any person come to know that he is going to die, then try to understand the fact which is important and very deep. Now you didn't have enough time and the condition of your subtle body is like this. Then you have to do more penance. You should seclude yourself day and night. You have to remember Almighty and have to charge your subtle body. With this you may recover. Who knows? Sometimes we heard that cancer got cured. This happens not only with knowledgeable persons, we can see this in ignorance also. If we come to know this type of disease we have, then we have to do more penance, more meditation, day and night. And also should make an affirmation that until I got cured, I should not reborn. This is very important thing. At least we have to do this type of affirmation that after leaving this gross body also, I have to do great penance with my subtle body and should not take new birth, even though if my soul has a good stage. And I have to go above planes or higher dimensions like Bugurlok, Janlok, Taplok. You should cure all type of diseases in your subtle body and has to go from here. If not, again you will take birth with those diseases. We have to pay. This is true. There is only one option. Be courageous and change your mind, intellect and sacrament with knowledge of soul and with courage. Use your affirmative power and change your mind that we are about to go. We didn't have any relation with anyone. Charge your subtle and causal body completely. Go from here after curing yourself. May you got this knowledge in your last moment. You spent your whole life by enjoying till now. And may you didn't thought this will happen with you. Now there is no time. You got this soul knowledge in your last moment. Or if anyone is watching this video even before your death, then know that your soul can do more or great penance between the time after the death and before the rebirth. There is one book of Christian doctor, Many Master, Many Life. We discussed about this. There is a video by Jyoti Prakash Bhai in our channel. Listen to it again. In that book, it was said that until soul got reborn, till then it gets its light. Means they wrote according to their language. But in our path of knowledge, it was said that before you were reborn, you have to be cured, even though it took time. But our knowledgeable soul's aim is to reach infinite world. Who wants to come into this deadly world? Where is the happiness here on earth? Who wants to take birth in this corona diseased world? Everyone is telling that let first this corona be finished, then we will think about going by taking our next birth. People born here in search of happiness, but there is no happiness on earth. Who wants to reborn? Look, knowledgeable persons know that there is no happiness on this earth. Yes, there is happiness a little bit on earth, 1% out of 100%. Everyone says that earth is a nonsense. But why can't you erase it from your mind? So, we have to leave desires before our death. Our mind has to get out of this illusion as soon as possible. Before death, everyone has to fill themselves with divine knowledge and has to change their subtle, causal, and supracausal bodies. Even if a man dies of disease or healthily, or may he is alive, but we should acquire 100% divine knowledge before our death. The book Garuda Puran must read before the death, not after the death. It's not a nonsense. It's the knowledge of Sanatana Dharma, which is in Indian Shastras. It's not nonsense. Before you realize, it will get late. That's why what I am saying is very deep fact. Believe it. Look how many children are taking birth with a hole in the heart. For some children, surgery is necessary. Why? Because the remained bondages or sufferings, it should be completed. Bapuji said that for those children, their mother have to do meditation. There are proofs, but we don't discuss on this YouTube. What I am saying is, listen to Almighty's knowledge. May our body be saved or not, but our soul should realize that coming births should be good enough. In Gujarati, there is a saying, rectify yourself for next birth. Sri Krishna also said to Arjuna, do karma or action by keeping your next birth in your mind. At that time, there is time to reborn. There is possibility to take rebirth in houses of good people by doing good karmas. But now there is no time. Time is not good enough. There are no good people. Where you will go to take rebirth? There is no time. It's time to wind up. In short, every soul must and should have the knowledge of both worldly knowledge and supernatural world. Param Shanti. बेहद की